What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can send a one-time photo on Instagram account. So this is called disappearing message or disappearing photo. I'm going to show you that how you can send it. So what you need to do first is go to your Instagram account. After going to your Instagram account, you need to go to your chat option. Then here you have to select that who you want to send the photo. I'm going to send this person. Then what I need to do is click on camera. Please make sure guys that you watch the full video and watch every step to send a message on disappearing message. After that you need to click on this camera. Okay, after clicking on camera, what I need to do is find a picture or you can capture a new photo. I'm going to send a picture like this. Okay, after selecting a picture you need to click on this last option, that allow replay. You have to click on this. Okay, this is keep in chat. You have to click on this again. Then here is the option view once. This view once option is the disappearing message that you have. If you send this message to this person will can see this message once. They can't see this message twice. After that you have to click on the send option. Okay, the photo has been sent in one time option. So if this person see this photo once, they can't see this photo twice again. So this is how you can send a one time message or disappearing message to a person on Instagram. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel. Peace.